Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta with pasta sauce. First, grab a large pot and fill it with at least 4 quarts of water for every pound of pasta you plan to cook. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt per gallon of water to properly season your pasta from the inside out. Bring this salted water to a vigorous, rolling boil before adding your pasta. Cook it until it's perfectly al dente, following the package instructions. While your pasta cooks, let's craft a delicious sauce. Start by sautéing some minced garlic and diced onion in a bit of olive oil until fragrant. Then, pour in a can of high-quality crushed tomatoes and your preferred fresh or dried herbs like basil and oregano. Let the sauce simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Don't forget to taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar. Now for the crucial step of bringing it all together. Before draining your pasta, remember to reserve about 1 cup of that starchy cooking water. This liquid is gold. Drain your cooked pasta thoroughly, but resist the urge to rinse it, as that washes away valuable starch. Immediately add the hot, drained pasta directly into your simmering sauce. Toss everything together, adding a splash of the reserved pasta water if the sauce seems too thick, to create a perfect emulsion. To finish, stir in a generous handful of fresh basil leaves and some freshly grated Parmesan cheese right into the pot. This adds a wonderful freshness and depth of flavor. Serve your pasta immediately in warm bowls to maintain its ideal temperature. For an extra touch, garnish each serving with a little more Parmesan and a drizzle of good quality olive oil. Enjoy your perfectly prepared, homemade pasta with sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.